In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your ratings in the Dasher app. Let's get started with a quick walkthrough so you always know where your performance stands. First, open the Dasher app. This is your home base for tracking your activity, seeing available orders, and of course, keeping an eye on your performance. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap that to open the sidebar menu. This menu gives you quick access to important sections of the app, and it's where you'll find the information you need today. From the menu, select Ratings. Tapping Ratings takes you straight to your performance dashboard. This page is designed to give you a clear snapshot of how you're doing based on your recent deliveries and customer interactions. Here you can view your average rating. This is the star rating customers give after a delivery, and it reflects their overall experience with you. Things like timely delivery, accurate drop-off, and friendly communication all play a role. Keeping this rating high helps build trust and can open the door to better opportunities in the app. You'll also see customer feedback. This section includes comments or tags from customers about your service. It's incredibly useful for spotting trends. Maybe people appreciate your quick communication or careful handling, or perhaps there's something you can improve. Taking a moment to read through feedback can help you make small adjustments that add up over time. Finally, check your completion rate. This number is based on your last 100 orders and shows how consistently you finish the deliveries you accept. A strong completion rate signals reliability. If you're aiming to maintain or unlock certain app features or benefits, keeping this number healthy can make a real difference. Make it a habit to visit this ratings page regularly. A quick check-in helps you catch changes early, track your progress, and stay aligned with what customers value. Consistency matters, and small improvements like clear communication at pickup and drop-off or double-checking order details can positively influence both ratings and feedback. That's it. Open the Dasher app, tap the menu in the top left, select Ratings, and review your average rating, customer feedback, and completion rate based on your last 100 orders. Regularly checking these metrics helps you maintain high performance and can give you access to priority orders. Thanks for watching, and keep delivering with confidence.